how to extract CRX files from any Chrome extensions and use it for future. To do this, open new tab and just go to the link in description, which will lead you to this CRX extractor downloader Chrome extension. Just add this to Chrome firstly, add extension. It's been added here. We're gonna pin it, right click and then pin. Now it's here, we can easily access. Now go to extensions page here once again. If you don't know how to access the extensions page, you're gonna click on the extensions button here and go to manage extensions, and it will lead you to this extensions page. For demonstration, suppose if you want to extract this CRX file from this extension, go to details, scroll down and click on view in Chrome Web Store. Once you have reached to the official Chrome Web Store page for the extension, click on the CRX extractor here and you can choose any of these options. Download as CRX, download as zip. Let me do this second one. You can just download this here CRX file, save. Now in the future, if you want to install this CRX file, let me show you how you can do that. Go back to the main page for extensions here. Let me remove this firstly here and I can reinstall, remove. Once it's been removed from the extensions page, we can enable the developer mode on the top right side. Now minimize it. We can go to downloads folder and the CRX file that I had just extracted and downloaded is here. We're gonna just drag this to Chrome extensions page and drop it here. And it automatically gives you a pop-up to add the extension. And thus it's been added once again. We can just right click and pin. So that's how we can extract the CRX files from the existing extensions to install them for future. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.